We all using ChatGPT to get things done in a short period of time, from marketing research to the 20 pages schoolworks that teacher gives you. But I gotta see using ChatGPT for my science project. GPT is not that great after all. All it does is collect all the information on the internet and put it in a paragraph. Well, so sorry to tell you that the reason why you gotta see is because you're not using it right. What's up, nerd techs? Welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 commonly mistakes that you don't even know you're doing when using ChatGPT. And of course, at the end of this video, I will give you guys tips that works wonder on how to get the desired output from ChatGPT. I agree that ChatGPT is super smart, but that doesn't mean it can do absolutely everything. There are just some of the things it can't handle, like it can't actually run code or programs. It can't open websites or links, and it can't create videos. ChatGPT's superpower is working with text and language. It understands words really well and can provide great information, but it can't directly take actions beyond that. ChatGPT has a really cool feature that lots of people miss out on, which is custom instructions. Without using these, you're not getting the most out of ChatGPT. Custom instruction allows you to give ChatGPT specific direction on how you want it to communicate and what kind of response you need. It's like giving ChatGPT personalized settings. For example, if you're a content creator, you can tell ChatGPT to use a friendly conversational tone. Optimize the output for SEO. To access custom instruction, just click this little square icon. From here, you can fill out different instruction fields to shape ChatGPT's behavior exactly how you want it. ChatGPT is not a mind reader. It needs clear instruction from you to pull it off. Vague prompts like "explain artificial intelligence to me" or "tell me about histories" are way too broad. ChatGPT will try its best, but the response may not be very helpful or focused. You know how sometimes you have to think through a really tough problem step by step to figure it out? ChatGPT can do that too with something called chain of thought prompting. COT is like a secret trick to help ChatGPT tackle the hard stuff. It breaks down complex problems into easy to follow steps. By breaking it down into steps, you're guiding ChatGPT's thinking in a logical way to reach the correct conclusions. COT prompting is super helpful for tough math and logic problems, complex analysis or strategic thinking, any task that requires step-by-step reasoning. If your prompt isn't clear and specific, the high chances is its response might miss the mark. Creating an awesome prompt for ChatGPT is like an art form. It takes a little practice, but it is super helpful when you get the hang of it. By putting in little extra effort upfront, you can craft prompts that unlocks ChatGPT's full potentials and get you amazing results. For example, let's say I want ChatGPT's help writing a blog intro, then this will be the prompt I'm using it for. By crafting this prompt, ChatGPT gives out the perfect output just how I want it. So that's are the 5 costly mistakes people run into when using ChatGPT. Then what are the tips to fix these problems? You need to know what ChatGPT is capable of so you don't ask it for the impossible. That would be like asking your kitchen blender to, I don't know, mow the lawn. It's just not built for that. It's not for the weak. So when you chat with ChatGPT, here are some few tips. Stick to asking a question, have it explain concepts, get it to analyze or summarize text. Don't expect it to interact with other apps or programs. You need to provide specific context about what information you actually need. The more details, the better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give this a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. It would be awesome if you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video if you do. And for now, goodbye.